Hi guys, and welcome to yet another YouTube video. Today I want to help those who are starting out in makeup to compile their kit. What do you need when you're truly starting out in makeup? All the products mentioned are drugstore products and you can get them in either Discam or Clicks if you're living in Botswana. First, you will need a brown brow pencil or a brown brow gel. This you will use to frame your brows. Follow the natural shape of your brows with those two. Then you'll need a concealer. This you will use to highlight your brows and to remove any mistakes that you would have made with the brow pencil and the brow gel. As you move on to your eyes, you will need a very good eyeshadow palette. Try to get one with warm colors, colorful bright colors, and also cool colors. We do sell this palette, so inquire with us if you're here in Botswana and would like to get more information on it. Then you will need a primer. A primer helps your foundation to adhere to your skin and helps your foundation last longer. Then you'll need a sponge. A sponge is what you'll typically use to apply your foundation and your concealer. You will get a foundation in your tone. You can either get a cream one or a liquid one depending on the texture of your skin. If it is dry, you can use a cream foundation. If it's very oily, prefer to use a liquid one. Then you'll need a pressed powder as well as loose powder. Pressed powder you will use to set your entire face, and the loose powder you will use to set underneath your eyes or where you have highlighted. And then you'll move on to get a blush. Preferably get a blush palette because it allows you to have several colors in one palette, especially when you're starting. Also choose one that has highlighter so that you can highlight your face. Then you will go on to lipsticks. Try and get a number of various colors as well as lip liners so that you can switch them up according to your mood or according to what you're wearing. Then lastly, your eyes. As you work on your eyes, you will need an eyeliner, black or blue or whatever color you want. Also, you would want to invest in lashes and mascara to make your eyes pop. Lastly, to finish everything up, you'll need to set your face with a good setting spray. And this makes your makeup last longer. To remove your makeup or any errors that you would have made, invest in some micellar water. I hope this video has been helpful for those of you who are trying to figure out what to get in the very beginning as they start out their makeup journey.